Hey guys, it's HNC here, and today I'd like to show you how to organize your iTunes music and apply metadata to your songs without it. Now first, we have to talk about what metadata is. It's a collection of the tags that are on your audio file. So if you notice when you buy music from iTunes, or when you rip directly off of a CD, it has the name of the song, the album, the song number, sometimes it even has the year that the song was produced, all that other stuff. So, by using this software called MusicBrainz Picard, which is free software, I will be showing you how to organize and apply metadata to your music so you can have a more clean and organized iTunes music library. Let's hop right into it. So, I've already done this very many times, so I really didn't have any music that needed metadata, at least that I could find the metadata for. So I went back in time to one of my old Time Machine backups and picked up some music. So we're gonna load that in here. And as you can see, over here in the left panel, it shows me every single music file that I loaded in here. And if I click cluster, it'll scan and see if there are any common albums and put those albums together so that I can scan them as a whole. Now, once I click scan right over here, what'll happen is it'll go through its database, find little audio tags and associate them with audio file. And then if you check your right hand column over here, it starts placing all these files into albums. And then your left hand column, anything that stays in your left hand column is just something that can't be found. So what I generally do is if something can't be found, I'll try a little combination of a lookup and scan, because lookup will only look up the song by its current metadata. So if you have something like the title and the artist, it'll look up the song just by the title and the artist and give you things like the cover art and the year that it was created and whatnot. But if you don't, then you want to use scan, which will just look up a certain section of the song and try to match it to another song in their database. So, as you can see, I sped up my thing a little bit. I didn't realize how much music I grabbed. This was just all music that I had not categorized. So put this in here, and here we are. So if you look over here in your right hand panel, you'll see there are a bunch of albums, and they're all sorted by artist. And any albums with the gold-plated cover are albums that quote and unquote have been completed. So it means that you have every single audio file that fits into that album. So the first song we have here is Shakira's Can't Remember to Forget You. And then over here it'll show you that it matched with the actual song on the album. It's track number 12, Shakira featuring Rihanna. And then it'll say new cover art, and it'll replace your cover art with the actual cover art. So this is good for people who have like older music libraries, or music libraries that weren't sorted out, or things where maybe you pirated the music. I'm not saying that I support pirating, but let's be honest, a large amount of us do it. So this can help you clean up your music library quite a bit. Alright, now over here we'll just cut over to my iTunes library. As you can see, I have a very large iTunes library. I inherited it from my parents, and I've done quite a bit of collecting on my own. I had a rather large CD collection, and as you can see, it's just all with metadata, everything filled in. The album artwork. If the album artwork and things of the sort were able to be found, they were all loaded up. So I'll just scroll through here to give you guys an idea. The vast majority of them were found. Okay, now, another thing. One of the great new features of some of the new versions of iTunes is that whenever you insert a CD, it will automatically use the iTunes database to find the album and the CD and the track names and the album artwork, compile all that information, and when you import the CD directly into iTunes, it'll import with all that metadata. So this was the first CD I had laying around right next to me, so this is just what I'll be using for this example. And as you can see, all the information's already loaded up. Alright, now finally I just want to talk about iTunes Match. Now iTunes Match is one of iTunes' many services, and it allows you to match your iTunes music library with Apple's cloud music library. And if you have a lower quality of song, or maybe you just don't like having everything stored on your computer all the time, it'll upload everything to your iCloud account, not taking away any of your precious storage space, of course. And it is accessible from any Apple device or anywhere that you can run iTunes. And it is my understanding that it also works on the Apple Music app. If you go down here to where it says matched in the iCloud status, you can see that all these files have higher bit rates and are matched with iCloud. So if I were to go open it on, say, another computer or my phone, I'd be getting the full high fidelity sound directly from Apple servers. Alright, so that's pretty much it. This has been how to use MusicBrainz Picard and organize your iTunes library. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if it helped. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section. I'll be sure to take a look at those fairly regularly. If I can help anyone out, I will. And yeah, have a great day. Peace.